I'm pumped because Instagram has a new feature that I think can change your real estate business. I'm going to talk about what that feature is, a couple ideas on how you can use it, and I'm going to give you really an Instagram posting strategy that I think can take your real estate business to the next level. But first, this is the After the License channel. I'm Jeff Bittner, your host. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on anywhere you get social media, and make sure you're listening to the podcast as well. So, what is this new Instagram feature? Instagram released a link clicking feature to all of its users when they post to their stories. So it used to be that this link feature was only available to Instagram influencers. They could post a story and they could say, swipe up to go visit this page. Well, a couple months ago, Instagram made some changes and they went from the swipe up feature to link stickers, a sticker that you can add a link, and influencers could drive traffic to a sales page. They could drive traffic to a YouTube video. They could drive traffic to any website that they wanted. Well, as of recently, Instagram changed it and it's no longer just available to influencers. It's available to anyone on Instagram who posts to their Instagram stories. So why is this a game changer? This is huge. This feature takes your Instagram following, which I love to think of your Instagram following as your sphere of influence, your database. These are people that are connected to you in some way, shape, or form enough where they say, hey, I want to know what's going on in this person's life. So this turns your Instagram following into really a lead nurture system. So what can you do with this link feature? What I would encourage you to do is go and do what you normally do, right? Go and post to Instagram and post your story. But when you go out and you tour a home, guess what? You can say, hey, are you interested in this active listing, 3 beds, 2 baths? Click a link here and take them to your website so that they can actually look and register and potentially show interest and inquire about that home. When you're going and telling stories about an experience you had with a seller, right? Where maybe you got a seller more money for their home than they expected. Guess what? You can say, and if you're interested in learning more about what your home is worth, click the link below and you can drive traffic to a sell page. So guys, this feature is fantastic. Now, what's the key, right? What is the key to having success? Well, in my opinion, the key to having success is you have to have a good lead generating website. You need to have a good tool so that when someone lands on your site, they can look at homes, they can be prompted to register, they can do a automatic home evaluation. There's a lot of fantastic tools out there. Chime's one of them, KV Core is one of them, Sync's one of them. There are a lot of these tools and a lot of brokerages are offering these tools. So start to use your Instagram link feature to link to that website. Link to single property landing pages. Link to seller evaluation pages. Link to squeeze pages about all the open houses in a particular area. Guys, this will be a huge money feature for you and will take your business to the next level. So what is my recommendation for an Instagram posting strategy? What I would recommend that you do, and I've talked about this in some other videos, is Instagram Stories has its own algorithm. So it's different than when you post to your main feed. And so what Instagram takes note of when you're posting to your story is who's watching your story, who's interacting with it, how long are they viewing it, are they skipping forward, are they skipping back? And what's been proven over and over and over again is the more you post to stories, the bigger your audience there will grow. So what's the goal and what's the strategy? My recommendation for you would be to post to your Instagram stories 10 times a day. That is a good number. 10 times a day. If you can post to your Instagram story 10 times a day for 30 days or 30 to 60 days, guess what? You're going to see your engagement grow, you're going to see your following grow, and you're going to see your views on your stories grow. And when you combine that with that link feature, you're really going to be able to generate some leads and get clients from Instagram in 2022. Now, some of you guys might be saying, Jeff, how do I get to 10 posts? When you get to 10 story posts a day, it means you're posting about what you're truly doing. You're posting about where you went to eat, where you got coffee. You're posting at maybe every house you go and tour with a potential buyer. You're posting about the networking event you went to. You're posting and you're putting yourself on camera and you're talking about situations that you have. When you can push yourself to be on camera and post 10 times a day, I promise you, you will get business from Instagram in 2022 if you do it consistently, and a certain percentage of those posts drive traffic to a lead generating website. Okay, guys, drop a comment below if you have any questions on this. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.